Oh, what's up, everybody? Wow. Sorry about that. I was just, just checking out the new Survivor game, I'm sure you guys have played it, right? Wow, now that I just thought about it, I haven't seen any of you since the trailer for Survivor. Well, I guess time to catch up. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video by Newtype Sith. On today's video, we're going to be going over the most anticipated sound font collection probably ever, and that is the Survivor bundle by our boys Kyberphonic, K-Sith, and the homie Blue Mamba. These guys all put their brains together and made by far the nastiest sound font collection package for all of you at home. Anybody that's played a Jedi Survivor, which is Jedi Fallen Order, pretty much second game, it is the sickest, and I mean the sickest Star Wars game to ever have been made. And not only is it just a great game because it's Star Wars and you get to be a really badass Jedi by the name of Cal Kestis, but you also get to customize your lightsaber. You have everything from changing every part of the lightsaber, as in like the grip, the emitter, the pommel, the center section, the colors, the blade style, the blade colors, everything. And on top of that, the entire lightsaber, you can do any color you want. But the best part about it is that every single lightsaber color has its own sound. Now, Kyberphonics, K-Sith, and our homie Blue Mamba were able to figure out a way to pretty much get these exact sounds from the game right onto our sabers right here at home. And I am stoked to show you guys. I'm not going to be showing you the entire font package because there is well over 20 fonts just in this package that I'm going to be just showing you some of my favorite fonts, and I'm also going to show you every character font that is in here. Obviously, most of the Cal ones, they're going to be the same as the ones in the game, but these guys really brought these things to life because in all honesty, they sound 10 times better than they ever did in the game. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're on our road to 2,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'll probably post a video in another 8 months, so definitely cherish this one. So let's jump straight into the sound font review. Today's video is going to be demoed on the Saber Trio Solo Guard. This is definitely my favorite lightsaber in my collection, and on top of that is the best sounding lightsaber in my collection. It is installed with CFX, so it is a very easy process to put all of these fonts on this lightsaber on top of all the configurations to just make sure that your sound fonts are a little bit spicier with the extras. Now, it is not anywhere near as good as Profi as far as one thing, and that is going to be the Party Blade. I will show what the Party Blade looks like at the end of this from the CFX. It is really cool, but compared to the Profi version, it's nothing. The Profi version does everything that the party mode does in the video game once you have completed the game and gotten to New Game Plus. So let's get this demo started.
The Council may have given up on you, but I know who you truly are, Dagon.
Impressive! Impressive!
Base.
Your attack here has failed and your soldiers' lives are forfeit. You think yourself a survivor, but you are a failure. I struck down those who stood against me.
Jedi Knight Dargangara.
Our temple will be a bastion for the Order. Give it time. You didn't like me much at first either.
I don't like you at all.
Our temple will be a bastion for the Order.
God, that sounds good.
Lord Vader.
The fortress stands. The Inquisitorius continues its work.
Okay, that's fucking sick. Oh my god. This fight was so hard.
You're not the only one who survived. And when the Empire comes, will you be able to protect my little girl?
Yeah.
Stay back!
Calm down.
I will decide what's best for my family. I will decide what's best for my family.
It's been a while.
I know you did your best, Cal. May the Force guide you.
Sad.
It's been a while.
Ooh, that's a punch.
May the Force be with you. Nothing we couldn't handle. Orange. Nothing we couldn't handle. Spectrum. Orange crossguard. Things haven't been the same since the team split up. Purple. Whatever happened, you can't change the past. Purple crossguard. I'm Cal. White. How we looking, BD? Spectrum. White crossguard. Oh, we ran into some trouble on our last job.
This is my favorite color in
I'll take the
game.
Inquisitor. Watch my back.
Boys, you really brought real life Survivor to us. Kudos to you guys. This is insane. So good.
Yellow crossguard. Whatever happened, you can't change the past.
Alright everybody, and now it's time to show you the party blade.
Party saber. I'm Cal.
So in CFX, it's just a continuous rainbow, but it is literally cycling through the fonts. You should be able to hear the difference in the hum. There you have it, everybody. The Survivor bundle by the legends themselves, Kyberphonic, K-Sith, and Blue Mamba. Not only do you get the single color fonts, but you also get the crossguard fonts, which is so sick because the crossguard versions are always just so much bassier than the just like original single blade color. So just being able to have that option on hand is insane. And once again, just these fonts are just, I literally feel like I'm in the game, like I'm playing the game. Like straight up, you guys killed it. You guys did such an amazing job. I'm honestly freaking blown away. Lightsabers have been kind of on the back burner for me like the last year. Just had a lot of other stuff going on, and honestly, playing Survivor alone has really pushed me to, want to get back into content creating for the lightsabers and, Star Wars community. But this font package alone has had me satisfied. Like, this is the most fun I've had with a lightsaber in a very long time, and it's definitely because of these fonts, because they're just endless. It's literally everything from the character fonts, which just straight up. Vader from this, probably one of my new favorite Vaders. The Ninth Sister, just as good as Second Sister. Dagon and Bode, insane. Dagon alone is probably one of my favorite hums. It's just so different. Almost reminds me of something like a Sidious or something like that. So it's definitely really cool. I enjoy it a lot, and same with Bode even. And Dagon Lightside is super sick. Sears Ignition is just nuts. Same with Centauri. So I really like the extra characters fonts. They're really fun, especially because you don't get to always play with them in the game. So being able to do that at home is super fun. And then obviously being able to be like in-universe Cal Kestis, like at home, is just so freaking awesome. Being able to go for all the colors. Now, I didn't go through every single color in this or every single crossguard variant. I just picked my favorite ones. If you guys would like to see those yourself, there is tons of other reviews that are out right now, or you can see them directly from the source, either at Kyberphonics, K-Sith, or Blue Mamba. These guys have all full reviews on their channels, and they are fantastic. Now, not only that, but I am super stoked to announce that I am going to be going with the boys at some point at the end of the year, going on another trip. Hopefully during that trip we'll be able to have some more fun, do some more lightsaber like shenanigans, and just try to not get in trouble at Disney as usual. So with all that being said, it was really great to see you all. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all your nerd news, lightsaber reviews, and much more. Have a great one, everybody. Good to see ya.